Assalamualaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video I am going to show you how you can draw some meaningful beautiful pie chart from your dataset. Okay, so basically I have a CSV file. Okay, so reading this CSV file I am using the library pandas. So you need to import the pandas, and abbreviation is as PD, and we read the CSV file through the read underscore CSV method and the basically path of that specific CSV file. If I print this, here you can see that this CSV file contains the text and the two attribute, that is sentiment text blob and sentiment vidar. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you we will use this sentiment basically text blob or text vidar column vidar of pie basically chart on this. Okay, so after this, for drawing the chart we need the library, that is the plotly.express. Okay, so you can also draw it from by using the matplot. Okay, so in this video basically I am using this library, that is plotly.express. Okay, so you need to install it and import it, that plotly.express and px. Okay, and the code is simple. From the plotly.pie method, okay, we will basically pass over all the data file, and then in which column we want to draw the pie basically chart, that is sentiment vidar, and this is the title. After this we update the traces, like where we the text position is. For example, if I place it inside and the text info is what you want, I want the basically three things. Okay, here you can see that three things, that is one is the overall count, the attribute basically the name of that specific attribute, and overall percentage of this to overall data. So we need three things. Okay, so therefore I write here name and show me the percentage also and the value also. Okay, and after this update layout method. Okay, so basically this is the font size, you can also increase and decrease it, and the uniform mode, that is height. If I show it to you, here you can see that a beautiful pie graph is showing. Okay, here you can see this is the positive and this is the negative. Okay, so we will change this. For example, if I zoom it, okay, okay, here if I place it outside, okay, and for example only show me the percentage, not label and value. Okay, if I again execute this, here you can see that now only outside the percentage is showing. Okay, not only this thing, not others. Okay, so this is therefore I write here. For example, if I control Z here, the value, percentage and value, here you can see that now outside percentage and value will be showing, and show me also the label. For example, then 3 will be showing. If I again execute here, you can see that now 3 thing is showing outside. Okay, if I place it again inside, okay, and again execute, here you can see that now it will showing inside this. Okay, so this code is mentioned in video description link. Just copy and paste that specific link. Hope your concept is now cleared. If you want similar work or any graph in Python, there is a contact link in video description. Just click on that specific contact link in order to order. You can order me the work, or if you have any conversation with me. Okay, so you can directly click on that specific link and contact me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.